Hey guys, Jamie here at THOR Off-Road, and here we are again with another installation gone wrong. So this will be Carli installation gone wrong part 2. Here we have a Super Duty that a guy put some of his own parts in. He had another shop work on it, so I'm just going to go through it real quick with you. You guys that are ordering these kits and you're pulling them to your house, and you don't know who's going to put it in. This is why I'm doing part 2. Find a reputable shop. Find somebody that knows what they're doing. Find a guys like these guys that work here. They have a lot of passion for this, and they want to make sure when that truck rolls out, it looks great and it works exactly like Carli designed it to do. So here we go. Start with some small things. One, we got zip ties holding the ABS lines on. This shock hose is not routed correctly. It's going to rub on the tire. He's already rubbing on the radius arm because he runs a 35-1250 on a factory wheel. We get that question all the time. Can I run a 1250 37-35 on a factory wheel? Sure you can, but you're gonna have to pay the price. You're gonna rub on the radius arm, you're gonna rub on the sway bar, you're gonna rub on the fenders, you're gonna have to cut. Just buy a wheel, get the right offset, do it the right way. Carli has all this stuff on their site. It's right there in front of you. Just read it and order a wheel. Why not when you buy a $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 suspension kit? A couple other things. This ABS line is loose. The nuts are tight, or the bolts are tight, probably because they're cross-threaded. The cam shims weren't swapped out. This hose is not routed correctly. One, because it's using somebody else's bracket to hold it on, and this is gonna rub all over the place. It's just not done right. Truck rolled in here with the factory track bar. Doesn't even have the Carli track bar on it because the shop that he took it to didn't know how to put it in. Let's go to the other side. This side, same thing. Hoses routed incorrectly. Brake hose. Zip tie again. But here we go. This is like guitar string taut. That's the ABS wire. Not good. The ABS light's gonna come on one day when that thing stretches. They tried to do the cam shims, but broke them because they used an air hammer. Couldn't get them out, so gave up apparently. This one will really get you. Customer brought us a low mount steering stabilizer from Carli and asked us why we can't put it in. Here, let's zoom in here real quick. I'm not real sure, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't work with a dual steering stabilizer. Again, product knowledge. Have a shop that knows what they're doing. Do it right the first time. Here we have some Frankenstein suspension kits trying to get put together. They don't work together. Carli designs these to work exactly the way they're supposed to. Out back, not as bad as the front, but a couple of things. One, this guy's got a really big exhaust system, and this shock's super close. It's gonna create a lot of heat. I probably would have done something different there. It is mounted correctly, so we'll give them that. But back here, they did put the hoses in, but forgot to put the retaining clips inside the hoses to hold it. I mean, not a huge deal, but it's just one of those things that if you're gonna cut that corner, how many other corners are you gonna cut? This kit was not installed correctly. It's Frankenstein between two different kits, and the customer comes here and asks why it doesn't ride right, and then pulls out a box of parts out of the truck that the other shop couldn't figure out how to install. Guys, find a reputable shop. You can call Carli Suspension yourself. You could call me. I'll find a shop for you. I'll vet them for you. But if you're buying parts and you're shipping them to your house only to try to see if Bubba's Tire Shop can put it in, or your cousin's brother's uncle come over with his tools and do it, this is what you're gonna get. And this is not safe, it's dangerous, and the truck's not gonna work right. Protect your investment and invest in somebody to partner with you to put these parts in. Jamie at THOR Off-Road. You can watch our YouTube page, look at our Instagram, give us a call. We'll be happy to help if that's what you need. But this is why we do what we do.